Hello everyone, my name is Kapil Shah and you are watching Quick Market Analysis by FinLearn Academy. So in this video, we are going to decode how the market was and what are the key levels trend for the coming week, sector specific momentum and the stocks of the week. So stay connected and do subscribe our channel. So in this week, we have seen that the market is down by 0.7% and this is a consecutive second week where we have seen the declining momentum. After touching the near about 20,000 levels, market has come down to the 10 trading sessions and it has cut its size a little bit more than the 3%. And with this declining momentum, market has tested its previous base, which is what was 19,300 level. And from the 19,300 level on the last trading session, that is on Friday, we have seen a good recovery as well. So it is getting established that the 19,300 level is a good support level for the market. This is what a bull's range we can say. Next best of pain that we can see is below the 19,300 level. Once the 19,300 level goes out, then we can understand that the next best support level can be around 18,800 level to this intermediate level, that is what is 18,600 level. So that is what the next best support level that we are having. But this is below the 19,300 level. Up to 19,300 level, things are fine. On the higher side, if we see market is turning out on the intraday chart, it gets a little bit more clear. 19,550 is the level where couple of resistance points are there, where let's say 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, this is the 5th time that we are seeing market has faced the resistance near about this level. For the bulls to see some sorts of a bullish reversal sign, it is very much essential that the market moves about the 19,550 level. So that will be a little bit bullish confirmation that we can see. Then the next best variations that we are going to have is near about by 19,770 level kind of thing. So in a nutshell, market is under the bullish zone as far as about the 19,300 level, but for the bulls to show that strength, it need to pass that litmus test, that is to move about the 19,550 level. Then there can be a scope of improvement up to the 19,770 we can say. Moving below the 19,300 level can be the painful, and on the lower side 18,800 to 18,600, this is what the next best support level that we are going to have. Now looking at it from the sectoral perspective, so in this particular week, we have seen that IT stock has did well, pharma stocks are doing well, and yes, small cap and mid caps, they are leading the pack. So from the export oriented stocks that we can see on Nifty, IT, pharma, the kind of defensive sectors where we are finding the good tractions. Whereas on the other hand, reality stocks in this it has been a quite performing sector earlier, but this week many reality stocks result has been announced and they were not in favor, and we have seen some sorts of negative reactions in that as well. PSU Bank, FMCG has not been that much of flavor right now. Financial stocks are not supporting that much, and the auto stocks, which has been the flavor of the market for a good time, but from past 1 month it is sideways to negative. We can say oil and gas, there is on and off selling pressure that are coming in. So these are the some sectors where we are continuously seeing some sort of pressure. Their structure is not yet damaged, but yes, the previous up rally that we were seeing, so that is getting hurt somewhere. Now, looking at stock specific things, so here, let's say there are certain kind of positive setups that has happened. So let's say one stock that I am focusing is Dalmia Bharat. Cement sector has not been doing that much well, but yes, some sorts of counters that we are finding some sorts of attraction. So let's say Dalmia Bharat, this is what a case that we are having right now. It has declined a lot, but in a recent case, there is some sort of traction that we have observed in that. So let's say this is what the chart image that we have captured with us. So in this particular chart formation that we are seeing, whatever the intermediate declining momentum happened, so it is at a lower band of the consolidation patch. This lower band of consolidation patch influenced by this particular moving average, and horizontal support lines are there. And from past 2 trading sessions, we have seen some short, so 2 weeks we have seen some sorts of momentum in this, and continuation about this level, the things can pan out well. So we try to share certain kind of setups with our participants as well. Okay, this is what the chart setup is all about, and along with that, okay, what can be the probable entry, stop loss, and targets are there. And this is exclusively for the educational purpose only. So in our Telegram channel, FinLearn Academy, we keep on sharing such kind of chart setups. from the educational side. There are some another counters are there where there is some short support traction that I am witnessing. As in the sectoral analysis, we have seen that IT stock has did well. So here the Coforge is the one stock that I am eyeing upon, because in a Coforge, after the long consolidation pack, the stock price has started to pick up its momentum. And this is not the first time the breakout is happening. Already the breakout happened, it went up, it came down. From 3 to 4 weeks, it is forming its base, and this week again we have started to see some sort of traction. On the daily chart, if I come, then here I understand, okay, this is what the white color moving average, which is acting continuously at the support level. After the retest, after the heavy selling pressure, prices has not broken its previous support level. After the heavy selling pressure, there is no follow-up sign that we have seen. Prices has shown the stability, and then it is starting to pick up its momentum. So in that case, the previous base 3 to 4 days level that we have seen, so that is around 4670, 4690, so that becomes our stop loss. And if the price starts to pick up its momentum, keeping the stop loss is not getting violated, then the next bit upside potential that we see is around this particular point. So let's say if I look around this different turning points, so this is what my band that it can fix 5500 to 5300 level. So that is what the upside potential that I can see. So these are some of the bullish stock that we have witnessed. We have seen some sorts of a selling pressure in PSU banks as well. So yes, the SBI was one of the counter where we have seen the selling pressure post the results, and it is reacting from the very stiff resistance level, that is a 621. There is a sharply declining momentum is happening. My previous support levels has gone out. Now the next support level that we are seeing is around the 560 level, where the moving average is also there, and previous base area or turning point is are there. So there can be a little bit more pain up to the 560 level. The same way we can connect it to Bank of Baroda as well. So Bank of Baroda, not bearish stock I can say, but in short term we are seeing that it is losing some sorts of growth on a shorter basis. Otherwise the things is fine, because it is at a very much previous all-time high resistance level. On the weekly chart or on the daily chart, we are seeing that the prices is started to form the lower and lower sequence, and it is formed the base. Right now 180 is level. If I look at the line chart, so the next best support level that I see is around this period. So a little bit, but yes, this is what the downside potential that we are seeing. One more stock where I can see some sort of pain is arising. So there is a Bajaj Finance. So in a Bajaj Finance, if I see the stock price is at a very good consolidation patch, and stock is reacting from the higher end on the monthly chart. In the previous month, we have seen that there is a shooting star pattern has formed. So there is a bearish reversal sign. So at a variations, bearish reversal sign has an importance. On the weekly chart, prices has formed a couple of weeks base, or whatever the last times green candle, a strong green candle was that. So prices goes below this period point. So it's showing some sorts of a weakness. On the daily chart, prices has already formed the lower and lower sequence. This is what an immediate support level I can say, but looking at it is like a daily support level versus the monthly resistance level. So there are, it can get some sorts of breach, and the next best level that we see is around this period point. And many of the times we see that when there is a consolidation patches are there, at least if there is some sort of reactions are happening, it comes to the middle of the box. So this is what the middle of the box that I am able to sense, or middle of the range. So this is what the support level that I am having, 6,600 level around. So let's see how things pans out in this stocks that we have mentioned in this video. So whatever the discussions that we did regarding the market, sector and stock specific, everything is for the education purpose only, and we will come up with the trade setups in the coming week. So stay tuned to us, and you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.